Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Travel with Rehan. Today I will show you the full review of tent studio at Club Mahindra Kanha. Please click the I button to see my earlier full resort review of Club Mahindra Kanha. So friends, this is our second room in the resort. This is a luxurious resort Club Mahindra. So friends, we are seeing this is a tent. Yeah, this is a tent. So I will highly recommend you to stay in a tent because except in any suite, you will have an experience of suite in everywhere, in every hotels or resorts available. But if you are going to a jungle and if you have visited to a jungle, then you have to feel the mesmerizing feeling of the forest here and there. The tent will give you an outstanding experience that will never will forget by your memories. So let's check it out. So friends, the tent has a bedroom, a bathroom and all amenities available. Here our room number is 3006. So let's go inside. So cameraman, in the left hand side of me there is a luggage rack and there is a shoe rack and some wardrobes. Here we can hang up our dresses by the hangers. Very beautiful designing and architecture by the local culture. In the front side there is a bathroom. The bathroom has all amenities available. In the center of the room there is a bed, a luxurious bed that is very soft. Okay, so it is very paintings and decorations like scopes are here. So there is a table and desk. There is a very soft sofa, and if you zoom there, it will seem like it is here for sitting, but it's actually a chest. A chest. Here we can carry our luggages, or a pillow is actually there. So, friends, a very small but beautiful dining table here, the AC and some paintings in the wall. If you have come here, then there is the kitchen, a small kitchen with a microwave and cups, jugs and tea making accessories. And also it carries glasses, jugs and a lock also. In the drawers there are knives, spoons and so it also has dishes and a small fridge. There is a TV and a sitting area. So here there is a beautiful balcony. So my parents are sitting here. From here we can see the beautiful and the mesmerizing feeling of the forest, the sounds of insects and the beautiful sky above. So I have forgotten the main attraction of the room, because this is a very interesting part of the room. This is a sliding door and also a mirror. So as we mentioned before, if you want to feel the mesmerizing feeling of the jungle, the sound of the jungle and the fresh breeze above, the flowers and the insects and the beautiful animals hanging and wandering here and there, if you want to see it and if you want to feel, then I will highly recommend you to stay in this beautiful tent. The Club Mahindra has several tents in this property.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood.